Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install One UI 6.1. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Tap on this settings app icon. Go down. Select software update. Tap here. Select download and install. So here you can see this phone says there is an update One UI 6.1. Here you can see one download button. Tap on this download button. That way we can download and install this update. If you want to check what is in this update, you can tap on all changes. Tap here. Then read this. If you are happy with these changes, then you can go back. Then tap on this download button. So that way we can download and install this update in this phone. So this way we can download and install One UI 6.1 in this Samsung phone. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.